what is a Wilson cycle?
Look at my publication in the annual reviews of Earth and Planetary Sciences, where the critical table demonstrating the Wilson cycle is shown. It is the opening and the closing of the ocean basins. That's what Wilson wrote.
Okay.
The opening and the closing of the oceans. See, he'd written a bad paper, which many people have read, and they've read nothing else, called Did the Atlantic Close and Then Reopen? That's a bad paper. But then he published that in 1966, and then he went away and he thought about it, as he usually did, and in 1968 he went to this meeting in Philadelphia and he gave this talk, and it was called Active or Mobile Earth, and in that there was a section dealing with the opening and the closing of the ocean basins. So you don't have that table in here.
Not in
well,
here.
right down, here we are.